Welcome. So this is what we've covered so far as far as YouTube SEO is concerned. In the first video, we covered together keyword research and title. Now in the second video, we went through video and settings in YouTube search engine optimization. Here we're going to look at thumbnails. In this video, we're going to look at thumbnails, and the final video look at description, comments, and tags. Now, how do you beat the YouTube algorithm and rank your videos? That's the basic question we're tackling in this 4-video series. So do you want to know how to do YouTube SEO and rank your videos? Then if that is the case, then this video is exactly what you want to watch. Now I understand that you want to get eyeballs to your videos, and you probably just started and want to get those to know how to do YouTube search engine optimization for beginners. Now, if you're an online marketer, a YouTuber, or an online entrepreneur, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you all I have learned from experts and gurus on how to best set your videos to rank on YouTube without using lots of money in ads or spending a lot of time getting it right. Now we will together go through 4-video series now in which I'll show you all you need to know about YouTube search engine optimization. Now again, this is the third part of the 4-part video series about YouTube SEO. If you want to watch the other parts, I've linked above to the second part of this video series. Okay, now kindly stick to the end, because at the end I'm going to give you something that's going to help you to do YouTube SEO quickly and faster. All right. So having said that, let's jump to the video. But just before that, first things first. Now I'll link below to my Easy Income and Lifestyle book. It's free. I give you out. It's going to show you things around affiliate marketing, online marketing, and email marketing. If you're interested, the link should be in the description. Grab it. Now, thank you for joining me today. In this video, we're going to look at thumbnails and YouTube SEO. Okay, I'm Manuel Noel, and this is Optimize Digital Mastery. And let's get started with point number 1 on YouTube SEO: thumbnails. So as far as thumbnails is concerned, thumbnail is very important in getting those click-through rates. Now the first thing that people do, anybody who goes through YouTube, the first thing they look at or they see are the thumbnails. So if your thumbnail is so attractive as the eyeballs of people on YouTube, there is no way people are going to watch your video, as much as your video might have a lot of content. First things first, you must get people to click on your thumbnails. And the best thumbnail that you want to use is a 1280 pixel versus 720 pixel. And this is the one that's recommended by YouTube. Now it's so simple to make these thumbnails. Just jump over to Canva, and you can easily create these YouTube thumbnails. Okay. Now let's go through the next points on YouTube thumbnails to see how you can best do your thumbnails to get those click-throughs. So point number 2, and this is going to help you get those click-throughs so that people can watch your videos. So use emojis, pointers, and arrows on your thumbnails. Now those emojis and those arrows, they are the ones you want to incorporate as much as possible on your YouTube. Now let's quickly jump onto YouTube and see how people are using emojis and arrows to get eyeballs and to make people click on their videos. So I'm here on YouTube, and as you can see, even from this video here where I'm hovering my mouse, this guy has used as an arrow. Okay, so he has used an arrow on his thumbnail. Now this one, using arrows and emojis, really make people get attracted to your thumbnails, and people will click on your videos and watch it. All right, so let me just quickly run through this. Here is another one. So this person has used some emojis here on his thumbnail. So here is another one. He has used that dialog box. Let's just go and see. Here is another one. So he's using some graphs on his thumbnail. Here's an arrow. Here's another arrow. Let's look at that arrow there. So if you go, it's over and over and over and over again. So keep using these emojis, these arrows on your thumbnail, and you're going to increase your click-through rates. So point number 3 about thumbnails and YouTube SEO is have brand colors. Do not use YouTube colors. So why should not use YouTube colors? The reason why you don't want to use YouTube colors is because you're going to blend in. Now, if you blend in, how are people going to notice you? Imagine a chameleon on a tree. On a tree with the green leaves, and the chameleon is also has just changed his color, his body color to green. You will never spot that chameleon. But imagine a chameleon on a green tree with green leaves, and there's just changed its color to red. Now it's so easy not to spot the chameleon, because now the red is so different from the green. That's what you want to do here also. You want to make sure that you don't use YouTube colors. What are the YouTube colors? The YouTube colors are red, white, and black. Don't use those colors. Of course, you're going to sometimes incorporate these colors on your thumbnail. It's no problem. But you want to be as dynamic in your coloring of your thumbnail as much as possible. And that is tied to point number 4, which says play around with different colors for contrast. So use blue, yellow, orange, whatever colors you want that are different from YouTube color, that is going to make you stand out from the crowd, and people are going to look at your thumbnails so that they can click with these videos. Now again, on point number 4, it's all about using as many colors as possible on your thumbnails. Now again, you don't want your thumbnail to look like a rainbow with 10 different colors or 7 different colors. You want to use maybe 3 different dynamic standout colors like blue, yellow, and say pink. Okay, so colors are going to stand out. Next point on YouTube SEO and thumbnails, number 5, is have a face on the thumbnails to humanize the video. Now, we are social beings and we want to talk with other human beings who are like us. So having a face on your thumbnail humanizes the whole thing and the whole video, and help people feel like they can, on a social level, get attached to you even before they click on the thumbnail. So if possible, have a face on your thumbnail, unless if you don't want to have, then that's also okay. Point number 6 on YouTube SEO and thumbnails is use less than 3 to 5 words on your thumbnails. Okay, now let's quickly jump onto YouTube and let's see what this point means. So again, use less than 3 to 7 words on your thumbnails. Now we don't want to have a lot of words on the thumbnails. Now if you just quickly run through your videos on YouTube, you realize that they don't have so many words. Look at this video from Alex. They only have one word, survive, and of course a picture there. And this video has 33,000 views in the last 24 hours. Look at that. These two don't even have words. They're just people. Of course, I'm sure these are people who are celebrity or something. Everybody knows them. So this is Peterson. This is Mark Zuckerberg. So it's easy to click on those videos. Look at this one. It's just use a big word here. Why Indians succeed, and then everywhere. This lady has just used turn $0 to $200 daily. Now it goes on and on. You realize by using very few number of words on their thumbnails. So again, use as few numbers as possible on your thumbnails. All right. So those are the 6 points you want to make sure you incorporate in your YouTube thumbnail. Again, YouTube thumbnail is very, very key and important as far as YouTube SEO is concerned. Now you want to make sure overall that your thumbnail is eye-catching, stands out, and it's as attractive as possible to people on YouTube. Okay, and here is where you can easily incorporate your creativity and uniqueness to create a thumbnail that we're going to resonate with and click. Now I hope you've liked this video, and I hope you've gotten these points. And if you have, kindly don't forget to click the subscription button so that you may help us grow this channel. Now at the beginning of this video, I promise I'm going to give you something, and here is what it is. Now, if you want all these tips for free plus many more, then how to rank your videos on YouTube and get those click-through rates, download the free 3-page PDF below. It should be either the first or the second or the third link on the description below. And then that free 3-page PDF, I'm going to show you all that details YouTube SEO. And here are the things I'm going to give you in that free PDF. All right, so we are here now. This is the Optimized Digital Mastery YouTube channel, and in this free PDF, you're going to learn about YouTube video SEO, how to rank your videos on YouTube. Now you're going to find 10 points on title and keyword research. You're going to get 10 points on video and settings, 6 points on thumbnails, and then 8 points on description, comments, and links. Now apart from that, I'm also going to add inside there catchy YouTube keywords that you can use, like how best top tutorials. You can just use these ones to help you rank your videos. And then the mistakes people make when they're writing their copywriting, which is also important as far as writing a YouTube thumbnail is concerned. Different YouTube title formats, and then must-have free tools for your YouTube. All right, so I hope you're going to get value from this free PDF, and I hope you're getting value from this video. Now, kindly again, I can't emphasize, please support the channel by subscribing, and don't forget to comment "I subscribe" on the comments so that we can know that you're indeed subscribed, and I'll do my best to reply to your comments. Until next time, see you in the next video. That is part 4 about description, comments, and tags.